Hi everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our 45 days of DAX series. I am Amit and today we are learning one of the most powerful conditional function in DAX, that is switch function. So we will understand DAX in a very detailed way, okay, but do let me know into the comment section which DAX function you want to learn on day 4. And if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. Be with me till last day of this DAX challenge, and I make sure you will have clear understanding of each and every DAX function which I'm going to discuss for next 45 days. Fine. So let's first understand what is switch function. So switch function is used to evaluate an expression and returns different result based on the value of that expression. It is like a case statement in SQL, alternative of multiple ifs for different programming languages such as C, C++, Python, or even DAX also support ifs. We will discuss if in some other videos, but today we are going to learn switch. Okay, so let's jump to Power BI and see the DAX switch DAX function in a very detailed way. Here we are at Power BI desktop, and I have one column that is number, and the data type of this is decimal, so I'll change to whole number. Okay, I'll change to whole number. So I'm going to perform switch function here. So what I'll do is, if I'll change like this number that is in a whole number to text, that if 1 is here, then I want to perform like one. If 2 is here, I want to perform two, and similarly till last till 4. And like it, if it is other than 1, 2, 3 and 4, I want to write, let's say, some other number. So to generate this, so what I'll do is I'll create one new column, and the column name I'll say number 2 word. Okay, number 2 word. So starting is switch. If I write switch, the definition is returns different result depending on the value of an expression. And it is asking for expression. Expression is nothing but which column you want to perform. So I want perform the number column of word table. So I'll write word of number column. Okay. If 1 is there, I want to write one, right? If 2 is there, I want to write two. If 3 is there, I want to write 3. If 4 is there, I want to write 4. And if other than 1, 2, 3 and 4, I want to write, let's say, something else. Okay, something else. So if I press the enter, see, I changed number into text, number into word using switch case. Okay, and this is nothing but the updated word, like clear understanding. Okay, again, you might see somewhere that we can use switch true word with switch case as well. Okay, so we will perform that in some other table. So we have one sales table, and the 3 columns are region, product and price. Fine. So what I'm going to do here is I'll evaluate switch with true to evaluate complex conditions like range, or if we are using, let's say, less than, greater than, equal to, then in that case we have to use switch along with true. So what I'll do is I'll create one new column, and let's say I'll say is category. Okay, category switch true. We are using true when we are like sure that we will use something related less than, greater than, or let's say conditional operator. Okay, in that case definitely we have to use true, else the switch case will not work properly. So let's say price. So the price column I want to perform on a price column. So if price is less than or equal to, let's say, 20,000, then I want to put into, let's say, lower middle class. Okay, I'll say low, not less. Okay, and if sales price is less than 40,000, I'll say medium. if sales price is less than or equal to 60, I'll say high, and else I want, let's say, expensive. Okay, expensive. So if I press enter, so I got one new column. In that column, see, wherever the price is less than or equal to 20,000, we got that category called low. If price is like less than, price here is 45,000, which is less than 60,000. Okay, so that means the price is high. And based on that, see, if price is not falling under 20, less than 20,000, less than 40,000, less than 60,000, in that case the price will be expensive. Fine, I hope you got it. And the order of evaluation will be from top to bottom. So first this column will evaluate, second first this row will evaluate, second this row will evaluate, third this row will evaluate, and if none of the above is true, in the last this expensive row will evaluate. That is the reason we are getting this. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the conditional, what is the switch function in DAX, and how we could use switch function in a DAX. Okay, so if this helped to understand switch function in DAX for you, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Insert Data for more daily DAX lessons. And in the comment, tell me what is the most confusing DAX function for you. I might feature it in upcoming videos. So we will meet soon. Till then, take care, and